My name is Andy, and I own a ton of cool old cameras. Out of all the old cameras that I have collected, none of them draw as much attention as my 1959 Moskva 5 rangefinder. The Moskva line of cameras, built by Russian company KMZ during the mid to late 50s, is a folding medium format film camera featuring a coupled rangefinder for aid in focusing. Most of the models in the Moskva line were based on the German Zeiss Icon Super Iconta folding camera. Things like locking take-up spool mounts and an easily removable back cover showed that the Russians were keen to build on their design. The biggest improvement over the Zeiss is the coupled rangefinder for focusing. When the camera is unfolded, a little flip-out lens allows the user to focus with precision. This means fewer wasted frames due to soft focus, at least in theory. Capable of shooting either 6x6 or a massive 6x9 centimeter negative on 120 roll film, the Moskva 5 is a great budget option for shooters looking to experiment with medium format. The lens on the Moskva is a 105mm f3.5. This is the equivalent of a 45mm lens on a full-frame camera when shooting in the 6x9 format. All of the settings are adjusted right on the lens assembly. Shutter speeds available range from 1 second to 1/250th of a second with a bulb mode, and you can stop all the way down to f32. Because the lens is mounted at the end of a bellows, it gives the camera a totally unique look compared to its digital counterparts from today. I frequently have people express their interest in how antique this old-timey machine is. My particular Moskva 5 has been well enjoyed over the years and shows some wear. There's a bit of fungus growing inside of the lens, but the operation of this camera is still going strong, 60 years after it rolled off the assembly line, 8,000 kilometers away from where it lives now.